Hey, you guys, it's Misky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell, subscribe, smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Share this off to somebody else who can get this knowledge, and let's get into this video. So you guys, if you don't already know, I do videos on the law of attraction where we talk about manifesting your future, creating your reality. Witchy Wednesdays where we talk about magic spells and divination, which we had a Witchy Wednesday video yesterday if you want to check it out. Self Love Saturday where we talk about how to be more confident in yourself, how to be more confident in life and just in others, and be kind to others. So before we get into the video, I want to make sure that you check the description box below so you can book a one-on-one coaching session with me. Also, if you would love to be and join in on the manifestation course workshop where you can join in and learn all about the manifestation hacks, tips, and how to really change your reality, you can check the description box below to join that, which I have it started up now for you guys. And if you would like to book a tarot session or buy any crystal jewelry, my website will be linked down below for all of that information. So in this law of attraction video, you guys, I wanted to basically talk about living from the end and manifesting a specific person. So I have lots of success stories with manifesting a specific person. That's literally one of the things that are, I mean, manifesting in general is just kind of easy for me, so I really don't give a fuck what this subject is. It's just easy and effortlessly for me. But we're going to be talking about how to manifest a specific person and just how to live in the end in general and what this really is. So if you ever try to manifest, because a lot of people talk about manifesting a specific person to me, I usually talk about that almost every day in my lives. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, you should go follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on there. Basically, I'm going to be talking about living from the end first. What living from the end is, which there is no real end to anything. I don't really think living from the end is a real thing, but this is my thing of it. If you are trying to manifest something, what you want to do is, and you think it's big, whatever it is, you need to live in that ideal version or that ideal reality where you are experiencing it. So if I'm living from the end of something, I'm basically going to see what is happening in that scene. That is, okay, so let's just talk about if you're trying to get married to somebody or you want to be in a relationship with somebody. What you would do is you will visualize or you would act as though you are already in the relationship with them. So you will be saying things such as, I'm so grateful to be with you. I'm so grateful to have you as my boyfriend, my girlfriend, whatever. You're visualizing them, giving you gifts, whatever it is. You want to have that scene played out and repeat that scene over and over again until you are actually in that, in the 3D. So the end would be you getting a wedding ring from them. Whatever the fuck you want. It will be them putting the ring on you, and then after, because you want to make sure it's a scene after that, you guys are probably going out to dinner, or y'all are you know, having this conversation, a deep conversation with each other, because you don't just want to put the ring on you, or y'all at the altar, and then just what the fuck, like, you know, you want to have the scene played out and make sure it's really lengthy too. When you're playing out living from the end of a scene or living from the end, you want to make sure that scene is like long as fuck. And I talked about this in my previous video yesterday. Make sure that scene is like lengthened the fuck out. So, you know, make it a look good 15-20 minutes that you're visualizing this. And do it at the best time that you feel is called for you. So visualize before bed or right when you wake up, or whatever time during the day. If you set time out of your day. And then what you're going to want to do is, because this is the thing that people, you want to think those thoughts that are of that reality. You want to act in that action that is of that reality. You can't be like, oh, I'm seeing Johnny loves me so much, but in my head, after I stop visualizing, I'm like, why isn't he messaging me? How the fuck does that work? It doesn't. It doesn't. You have to be in that character. So what you would do is you wouldn't have those same old regrets. You wouldn't have those same old habits. You wouldn't deal with that same old stuff. And when you're doing this, it does not matter how you go about doing what it is that you do and living from the end or manifesting a person. You can hit them up and they can, what? They're gonna be happy that you hit them up. Because why? They were thinking about you. They were thinking about you. They wanted to hear from you. And if you want to be the type of person that be like, let them chase me or whatever, it does not matter how you do it. It does not matter. It's just about you living from that end. You're always creating your reality. You're always creating things to be what they are. Doesn't matter if they blocked you. Don't matter if they said they don't want to see you again. That shit does not matter. When you're living from the end and you're acting as if you disregard any and everything that somebody says and you disregard the past because what you did, you rewrote the story. You're changing the story. You're seeing it differently in your head. You're manifesting it to be completely different. It does not matter how long it takes, because that's the thing that you will get yourself fucked up at, is if you believe that time is a factor in manifesting this. It's not at all. Don't pay attention to how long it takes. You just persist in what you're visualizing. You're persisting in what you're giving the energy to. You're persisting in it. And then it has no choice but then to manifest tangibly in your reality. So if you're trying to manifest a job that you're working somewhere, well, you see, I've did this multiple times. And I do this with my career now. I don't work a 9-to-5 job, but I do this with it now. You know, when I'm on Instagram and I watch my lives go up and I visualize me doing readings on certain people and, you know, things like that. Like, I'm constantly, so my ideal reality is where I keep it at. You know, I'm very successful. I have healthy relationships. People support me, stuff like that. You know, I'm seeing that every day. That's my ideal. That's the level that I'm at, and I'm not going below it because I've already went past it and I visualized it enough, and I am of that energy enough to know that I can't possibly go back down. You know what I mean? I can't possibly de-level myself because I'm always leveling up in my mindset and everything in my life. Just, it's always a constant level up for me every second. So, you know, when I'm manifesting something, I feel like it's fairly easy, especially, and I'm using all of the techniques, by the way, you guys. I'm not just visualizing, I'm scripting, I'm saying affirmations, I'm feeling good about it. You know, I'm doing everything that resonates with me because all of the methods work. There's no one set method that's going to be better over the other if you don't think it is. You know, it's whatever. I always say it's whatever you say it is. Your visualization, if you think that's powerful as the fuck, it's powerful as the fuck. My visualization techniques, my visualization powers, they have increased substantially. And when I tell you, when I visualize, it's just already here. It's already in this 3D. Like, there is nothing setting me back from anything that I want. Nobody, no person, everybody is supporting me. Everything is supporting me in what I'm doing. So, you know, it's just that simple. And I see myself being in that version. So I'm not acting, I'm not thinking, you know, visualizing it. And then when I stop, I'm like, oh my God, why the fuck? Like, why isn't I here? Why am I still in this meat suit that's acting like this? No, you don't do that. You continue to see yourself and speak and think like you're that individual, even in your 3D. If it's opposing to you, you're creating your 3D reality. So if you wanted to change, you can literally switch it right in front of you. I've done this shit all the fucking time. Like, I switch people's mindsets, literally just talking to them right in front of them. Like, I'm able to. Like, I could literally be sitting here having a conversation with somebody. At first, we could be going at it about something. Even though I don't argue with people, but they could be having like a opposing thought to me, and then I can literally just sit there and watch them change. Like, it's just that simple, because I immediately see myself as an individual that is in a different reality where you are accepting of me, where you are listening to what I have to say, where I'm a very persuasive person and very influential over people. So, you know, once you find out who you are and you get to know yourself, it kind of makes it easier for you to do certain things and be of a certain character and manifest. because it's not that fucking hard. I mean, to be honest with you, this shit is so easy and simple. When you really start to like get into the habit of doing this, you figure out how easy manifesting is. You don't even be paying attention to half the shit that is in your 3D reality. It doesn't matter. Current circumstances never matter. And if you haven't checked out that video, I would recommend that you really check out that video. Really good video. Really good video. But you guys, if you like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave an affirmation down below. I almost forgot what I did this video on. But say it's simple for me to manifest. Simple and easy, and I manifest effortlessly all the time. Just like that. If you would like to book a one-on-one coaching session with me, you should definitely do that, because you'll be thoroughly surprised and you'll enjoy your session. I know you will. Also, if you'd like to book a one-on-one tarot session with me, whatever it is that you want to do, you can do that down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.